Hey there, today we're going to look at how to stop audio from peaking in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. First, play your video and keep an eye on the audio meter to see if it peaks into the red. After that, go to the effects panel. If you don't see it, go to Window and enable effects. Then in the search bar, type in hard limiter and drag the hard limiter effect onto your audio clip. After that, play the video again and check the audio meter. Over here, the hard limiter should reduce the peaking. If it's still going into the red slightly, you can also reduce the audio level manually. Then click on the clip, go to Effect Controls and scroll down to the level section. Over here, slide the level down by something like -5. After that, play the clip again and check the meter to make sure it's staying below the red. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.